To begin, you're going to safely raise and support the vehicle and remove the left rear wheel. If you need additional assistance with that task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. Disconnect the electrical connection by using a flathead screwdriver and gently rotating in on the release tab, red arrow. Use two 10mm wrenches to remove the nut on the sensor arm and then slide it out from the upper control arm. During installation, you will need to tighten them to a torque of 8 Nm or 6 foot-pounds. Unscrew the two 3mm hex screws holding the sensor to the chassis subframe, red arrows. Again, during installation, you will tighten these to a torque of 5 Nm or 3.5 foot-pounds. Installation is the reverse of removal. After the angle sensor has been replaced, the rear end control unit must be calibrated. Afterwards, the headlight setting must be checked and adjusted if necessary. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.